How to transfer files between your Android phone and PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can transfer files between your Android phone and your PC. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you want to transfer files using your Android phone and PC, make sure you are connected with the USB cable. So depending upon the USB cable which you have, make sure you're connected with the USB cable. And you on your Android phone, what you have to do is you have to simply swipe down from the notification panel settings, and you can see this kind of pop-up which says USB. So in your case, it could not be set to file transfer. So if I tap on it, you want to make sure that it is set to transferring files. So right over here, you want to make sure that it is set to transferring files, and you can see a USB controller and so on. If it is set to charging only, you have to set it to transferring files. And once you do so, now what we can do is we can just exit out of it, and if we open up the file manager app on our computer, under this PC section, you'll be able to find your device list. So right over here, you can see your device list, and you can see internal storage and so on. Now you'll be able to see all the files which you have on your computer. So right over here, you'll be able to see all this. If you don't find these files, then it means that your PC or your phone is not connected properly. And these are simply some of the files. If I go ahead and also show you on the file manager application on my phone over here, if I go to internal storage, you can see, let's say I select Camtasia, and if I select Camtasia over here, you can see similar files in both, which means that this part of the PC is connected to my phone. Now I can just go ahead and copy them or cut them just like that to my computer, and from computer as well, if I want to transfer any of the files, then what I will do, I will simply drag and drop into any of these folders over here. I will simply copy paste them, and this is how you can transfer files between your Android phone and PC. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.